Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. So we are in the web scraping playlist and in this video we are going to learn about Zenserp, why to use Zenserp, when to use, where to use, how to use, why to use, and what are the advantages and what are the limitations of Zenserp. Everything with the help of theory and practical we will learn about Zenserp, how to use it. So, see, I will tell you the differences. There are a lot of web scraping APIs are available. Zensurf is one of them. But how it is different than others? Because whenever you write down any words or any sentence on your Google search box and hit enter, then you will see the list of searches and also you will see the description. Now, if you want to automate this task, then Zensurf plays very important role in it. I will show you in the practical demo, but before that, I will give you some theoretical concepts. As Zensurf is not a web scraper like Selenium or BeautifulSoup. It is a Google search API that returns search engine results. That is, search means I will show you in JSON format, and it scraps Google on the backend and exposes the result through APIs. It is a cloud search engine result page SERP. You can see search engine result page SERP, search engine result page. Instead of opening the Google from your browser and scraping the HTML yourself, you simply send an API request like that particular word which is you are going to Google and hit enter. You will get all the data. Advantages of this Zensurf is it is very easy API, no HTML parsing, fast responses is there, JSON output is there. It supports Google search. Also, it supports location and languages. Means it is location aware. It handles the captcha internally because some websites, if you try to scrap them, then it will show like first of all you have to write down the captcha, and if you have automated it, means you have joined your bot, then this will not allowed to enter into that website. But Genserp automatically handle the captchas. No browser automation is there requirement. Also, it is a lightweight as compared to Selenium. It consumes low CPU because all the task is performed via API keys. It is suitable for backend applications. But the disadvantages is like this is a not a totally free source. This is a paid service after your free tier. It depends on external API availability and it is limited. It has limited free request. I will show you on that pricing page. It cannot interact with the websites where a lot of clicks, logins, and fill forms are there, and it only returns search results, not complete web page content. The subject to search engine API limits is rare. When to use this Genserp is, for example, if you build a e-commerce website and you want a better SEO, means whenever any person type the name of your product, then your business name should be first. Means this is called as SEO. So this SEO rank tracking will be done with the help of Zenser, Google search automation, keyword research, competitor monitoring, search result analysis, building search based AI tools, and collecting search metadata. And also this is very important, like a way not to use if you want to scrap the tables from the web pages, downloading PDF or logging into the websites, clicking the buttons, filling the forms, infinite scrolling pages, JavaScript heavy interactions are there, then you don't have to use it. And why to use it? Why Gensup is used mostly? Because it solves a problem like Google continuously change your HTML frequently. Is they change their HTML, their front end they always change. So whenever you write down any script of your Beautiful Soup or your Selenium, and you run your script, whenever Google changes their HTML format, your code will crash, your application will crash. But if you are using Zenser API key, then this crashing will not happen. Zenser handle all the tasks at the back end. Anti-bot protections is there. CAPTCHA, it handles CAPTCHA very well. So maintenance burden is not there. Means there is a very short and simple source code, and your task is automated. Okay, so this is just a theory part. I will explain you in detail practically now. I will show you the source code. So this is our source code. GenEnv is a virtual environment. Then .env is your confidential API keys present here over here. I have created another .env.example file because all the data present in the .env file is this. Instead of this, your Zenserp API key, exact API key should be there. Then app.py and requirement.txt. Only three libraries you have to install. It is not necessary to install Zenserp kind of a library. Okay. And this app.py, you have to import Streamlit as HT ally, then request to download the HTML content, then operating system, then .env, and here the API key is present in our .env file. So OS library .getenv and the variable name. Okay, then this is the title name, Zenserp search demo. Query you have to write down. This will be a text input means text box, and in that text box search is the by default word is present. After that, there is a search button. If the search button is clicked, then this is the by default URL. You will be gone. Then API key is equals to this API key, which is present in our .env file. Then queries is there. Then response dot get URL. Here your URL will be there, and uh, headers are there, params are there, and if your query is successful, means 200 is the successful keyword. You will get the output like you will get a titles, URL, and description. If you don't get it, then you will get the error. Okay. So now how will you run it? First of all, you have to activate your virtual environment. That is Zen env scripts. Then activate, hit enter. Your virtual environment is activated. CLS to clean. Then Streamlit, run app.py, hit enter. You can see Zenserp search demo. This name comes from here. Zenserp search demo. This is the title name. Streamlit provides all this. That's why Streamlit is a best web frame. It has a lot of components. Just simply write down this text like ht.title, Zenserp search demo, and your title will be there. So this is what we called as a framework. Okay. Now in the search bar, you have to type anything. For example, Infosys, and click on search. It will run and it will give you the results. Okay. So from where these results come, and from where what is this? This is title, this is URL, and this is a snippet. I will show you, for example, you write down this Google, and in this Google info, this hit enter. If you type any keyword, any search bar, any keyword in that search bar and hit enter, then Google will show you the snippets. First is Infosys.com, then LinkedIn is there, then Wikipedia, then Instagram, and so on. Okay. So first of all, Infosys.com, then your LinkedIn, then your Wikipedia. You can see Wikipedia, then Infosys, BPM, and public services. So whatever the SEO, search engine optimization, whatever the ranking of websites are there, you need to know over there. And see, this is the first website, Infosys.com. Infosys.com, and whatever the text present in that snippet, build your future with Infosys and business evaluation. Okay, so build your future with Infosys and business evaluation. So this is a small snippet, and this is the URL, and this is the text. Okay, title. Then comes LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you can see Infosys is the title, see here consulting, IT services, digital transformation, Infosys Consulting, IT services, digital transformation. This is the title, and on second line, on second snippet only, Infosys is the title present. After that, Infosys is a global leader, 50 countries to navigate their digital, three dots and read more. So Infosys is the title. Infosys is a global leader. Then 50 countries to navigate the digital, their digital. Then three dots and then read more. So whatever you are seeing over here, you can see over here as well. Okay. So from this, you can get to know the search engine optimization as well. For example, let's say I build a website, e-commerce website, and I want to sell anything. I want to sell, let's say, this goggles. I want to sell, and I make that e-commerce website. So my e-commerce website, I pay a lot of money in search engine optimization, a lot of advertisement I did, and I want to check whether my expenses are worth or not, whether my website is search engine optimized or not. Then I will type the Google or my brand name, whatever Raven or means my personal brand name, and I will hit enter. Then if I am able to see within first three searches my website name, then it means uh, my website is properly optimized, search engine optimized. So to track this SEO optimization, we use Zenserp. Okay. So that's it about it. Also, you can click on any website, like you can click this website, you will be redirected to that particular page. So that's very important. This is the most important Zensurf search demo. How to create its API key, you have to type over here. Then go to their main website, gensurf.com. You will see this website. You can see the pricing over here. I'm using free version and I have created the API key. You can see here 25,000 searches, 1 lakh searches. Depending on your use cases and your load, you can get this subscription. If you choose yearly billing, then you will get 20% off. Also, what is mean by these searches? 50 searches, 2000, 25,000 searches. So, this is our first search, right? If I click over here again, then this is our second search, then third search. This is how it calculates. For example, let's take an example. I type here TCS, hit enter. Okay, and the same I type here TCS, hit enter. So this is my second search. So this is how the searches are counted, and you will be get paid. So first is TCS.com, then LinkedIn, you can see TCS.com, then their LinkedIn, then their Wikipedia, then Twitter. Sometimes it shuffles because, of course, if you type something TCS and click enter in your laptop, then there might be some reshuffling of the results, but it's fine. Top 10 are almost same. TCSapp.com, then Screener. Uh, Indeed, here you can see screener is there, and this is a snippet. Tata Consultancy Services, flagship company. Tata Consultancy Services, flagship company. Read more after organization word. Read more after organization word. So this is how this search engine work. Okay, and from here you can select this and generate your API key. You can see the features like 25,000 requests per month. One request is equal to one search query. Okay. And these are snippets. So these are not like searches. Okay. Just snippets. And the highest is 10 lakh requests per month. Okay. So you have to register and then you can get your API key. I have my own API key, so I don't have to worry about it. So that's it. I will put this code in the GitHub repository as well. So that's it for today's video. Means everything we learned about Zenserp, means all the basic concepts, why to use, when to use, how, where, when, why, everything theory plus practical. So I hope you now have better understanding about what is exactly Zenserp and when to use it in your AI applications, building AI applications. So if you really like my video, if you like my efforts, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.